Hello friends, good evening to all of you. I am once again at your disposal. Today in the evening I have come for a evening walk and almost I will be completing 4 or 5 kilometers of walking, which include brisk walk as well as slow walk. Since morning it's drizzling and in the morning I did 12 kilometer easy run, though while warming up myself in the morning before the race, it started drizzling and my family members cautioned me not to venture and go for a run in such a drizzling rain, but I decided to go ahead and complete my I decided first to go for a 10 kilometer easy run, but later on I completed 12 kilometer easy run, detail of which I will be sharing with you all. And as far as this walk is concerned, detail of this will also be I will be sharing with you all. It's nice weather, though since morning it was drizzling, but now rain has stopped and the climate has become very good. It's very nice, everything is greeny. It's very pleasant and I am enjoying this walk. Generally I come for a walk twice or thrice a week because walking itself is a good exercise, and if you go for a brisk walk then it's far better than holding up yourself at home and not coming out, finding excuse that since climate is not nice or it's raining or it's drizzling, you should take some risk, because risk is a part of life. If you venture in any activity, it's sure that risk will be there. If you are at home also, then still risk is there. So nothing to worry. Life is such, and I'm enjoying this climate. It's nice and very fine climate. I think as far as walk is concerned, I have never talked about walking, but walking has its own benefits, because firstly your body will not be fatigued so much since no heavy pressure will be there, because as far as running is concerned, you have to put pressure, and running on the road has its side effects. Generally, when you run on a road, you get opposite force and your bones and your muscles are weakened and pressure is put on them. So it's nice if you occasionally go for a walk and enjoy the same. But as far as today is concerned, climate is absolutely fine and I'm enjoying the same, and people are out of their doors and they have come for a walk. Generally I meet many of my colleagues, many of my known persons in the society, and it's fine, because coming in the open make you more strong, make you see more different things. You come close to the nature, and since you are attached to the nature, you will be rarely feel sorry and you will enjoy the same. Though road is busy, traffic is there as usual, nothing to worry. So friends, enjoy the day.